Hello friends, welcome again. In Pandas, we can drop or delete columns by index, by name and by position. Index refers to the column or row which will be deleted depending on the axis. So let's see how we can remove or delete columns from our data frame. So here is our data frame. Let's add one more column with some values like the column name is mobile number, or you can add grade. That's okay. The grades are A, B, C, D and E. So there are 5 values. So let's see our data frame first. Okay. We can drop a column from our data frame. So for this we can use drop function. For example, use DF.drop. The column name is age and use axis equals to 1. By default the argument is set to axis equals to 0, which means it denotes rows, and for columns set the axis as 1. So it will drop a column based on name age. Now print your data frame df1. So here you can see in df1 data frame the column age has been dropped, and to drop more than one column using label name, so mention the column name in a list. For example, if you want to drop the column name age or grade, so pass these columns name in a list. So it will delete both the columns. So age and grade has been dropped. You can also drop a column on column index. For example, use df dot columns and use the index position 3. So it will delete a column whose index is 3. So add index 0, 1, 2 or 3. So it will remove column grade. The index position is 3 from our data frame. So here you can see your column has been deleted. If you use the inplace equals to true with the drop command for column, the column will be permanently deleted from the data frame. So if you use inplace equals to true, it will remove column grade permanently from our data frame. So here you can see in variable df the column grade has been deleted. Because it affects the original data frame df, the command deletes the grade, index is 3, the column permanently deleted from df. Or you can drop a column by using the pop method. So it will delete the column. For example, use df.pop. The column name is age. So pop function delete your column and return its value, or you can use print df and after drop a column age, print our data frame. So here you can see the original data frame, and when we used pop function, so it will remove column age and return its value, and after using pop function it will display all the columns except age column. So in the same manner you can perform pop function. You can also delete columns from your df and use the column name age and print your data frame. So your column age has been deleted. So you can use del function also to remove columns. Now let's see how to delete rows from data frame. So for this you can use df equal to df dot by using drop function. If you want to delete rows at index position 1 or 2, so it will delete rows from your data frame at index position 1 or 2. So you can see here at index position 1 or 2 the rows has been removed. Or you can also use index so just use index position 1, so it will remove rows at index position 1 from your data frame. So your row has been deleted at index position 1. Or you can use slice operator like this, so it will remove all rows starting from index 0 to n minus 1, so it will goes up to 2, so it will remove all rows from 0 to 2. So 0, 1 or 2, it means first 3 rows has been deleted. In the same manner you can use negative indexing, so it will remove all the rows except last 3 rows. So you can see here last 3 rows here, and all the rows has been deleted. So that's it. In the same manner you can perform operations on data frame. Just try how to delete columns, how to add rows, and if you have any doubt, please write an email. Thanks for watching this video.